Okay, today we're going to talk to you a bit about how to make a label for a container. So we're going to use this blank bottle here today. So the first thing you want to do when you're designing a label is you need to decide how big that label should be. So they're simply going to take your measuring tape, you're going to take your bottle, and you're going to wrap it around, figure out which measurement works for the width, and you're going to figure out which measurement works for the height. So I've already done this bit label measurement, and I know that I want to make this an 8 by 3.5 inch label. So um, obviously we can go, maybe not obvious, but we can go create new design, and we can go custom size 8 by 3.5, and that'll open us up a blank rectangle that we can start designing on. Or if we want to do a template, we can type in. You can start on Canva and find. Type in water bottle label. Canva's great because it's got so many starter templates. So let's say we really like the look of. There's some really good ones just for water bottle labels. I'm gonna pick uh, this one. So we're gonna go customize design. Now the first thing, it's important to remember that we have our measurement. So we want to make this an 8 by 3 inch label. So if you have Canva Pro, which I highly recommend, uh, right away you can click resize. The default of this label is 6 by 4, which you can't use for an 8 by 3.5 inch label. So you're going to resize it. You're going to put 8 by 3.5 and hit resize. Now we have ourselves an 8 by 3.5 inch, and we have a template to work with. So we're going to work with this template. So you can do some things like you can just make this bigger. Boom. So now we got that rolling. Let's say we want to change this element here. We don't want a mountain. Let's say we want, what would be cool? A roller coaster. Or how about a bear? How about a bear? And when you do your things, there's videos, there's clip arts, there's everything like that. We want to do a graphic, and we want to put this. Let's put so many options. Let's fun. This one looks. This guy looks friendly. Oh no! You know what? I like this traveling bear. So let's say we want to kill the mountains, and we want to put this bear in here, and we don't want him right in the front, so we'll send him to the back. Boom. Okay, now you can mess around with this. Barely water. Okay, you got your water, and you can go and change all these elements, which are really just a matter of clicking them and changing the colors, everything like that. Let's say, so actually, let's say this bear here, where is he? Oh, our mask is in the way. So let's say we want his feet gone. We can go edit image, crop, and we know we want to bring that right up into behind the blue thing. And we'll bring our element back. Let's say we want to send this actually to the very, very back because we want to see that bear. Now the bear is there. And say you don't like this light blue color for that design because you brought the bear and it's going to give you an option like that. We can expand this box, mineral water, barely water, change the color again if you'd like. Ooh, that's a bit aggressive. Make this black. Oh, now you got everything set up, and you now have a water bottle label that is 8 by 3.5. So it's always good here to name your file. So we're going to call it barely water, and we're going to put the. I always like to put the size in the file name just so I can remind myself what I've done. Then you're going to go to download. You're going to create a PDF print file. Please turn on the crop marks and bleed. That'll just create a little more when we trim it. It makes it easier. And again, you need the CMYK is the best option. That's only available in Canva Pro. I do recommend Canva Pro account. So now we have our 8 by 3.5 inch PDF file, barely water, and boom. Now we have a perfect print file that will wrap around this water bottle. So what we can do now is we simply go to our roll labels page. And because we've designed in inches, our unit of measurement is set. This one, you're going to go 3.5 by 8. These measurements are intuitive, so don't worry about the landscape. we will orientate it correctly. If you want to know more about the paper stocks, there's free sample kits you can order. I want to do this one with a gloss laminate, square rectangle, and we're going to order 100 labels, and we're add it to the cart. And we're going to take our barely water bottle and add it in here. Boom, and you're done. All you gotta do is check out online, and that is how you make a label. So find a template you like, make sure you have Canva Pro, set the size to the correct inches from your original measurement, and go ahead from there. Now, one thing you can also do, let's say you're still not confident in the whole process, we do have the option that you can use the code FREEPROOF. So you could actually just change this quantity to 1, update your cart, and at Little Rock will run you a free sample of this so you can stick it on your water bottle. Make sure you're good. You just type in the code FREEPROOF, apply coupon. Wham bam, you have a $0. You've done a Canva design. You're going to get 1 free label to stick on your water bottle to make sure it's good. Proceed to checkout. If you like it, you can go ahead and order the full amount. Thanks for your help. You're welcome for my help. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.